Streaming just doesn't pay. And if you've been making music for more than a day, you already know this. But the real question you should be asking is not why don't these big platforms pay independent artists better? You should be asking, how do you as an independent artist make money off of your music in the face of all these platforms just trying to rip you off? And the answer is to have your own music business system. What's up, Harkos here with the Music Making Sense podcast, where it's all about music marketing, branding, and how to have success, real success as an independent artist. And one thing I know beyond all shadow of a doubt is that all these platforms, Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, whoever, they all have their own music business system set up so they can collect data on and communicate with every single one of the listeners on their platforms. But the only emails that I ever seem to get from these platforms is when they want me to buy their premium program. Don't you get that too? I never get any emails from these platforms whenever an artist that I listen to all the time just dropped a new song. And I rarely get any in-app notifications whenever a new song is dropped from my favorite artist as well. So what exactly are these platforms collecting all this information for? They tell you as an independent artist, go out there and get a lot of subscribers to your platform, and you will actually be able to have your fans get notified whenever you drop some new music. But these platforms never do that. See, all these platforms will have you as an artist out here promoting their platform while thinking that you're actually promoting yourself. In reality, all you're doing is giving these platforms more data off of your fans so that they can suggest other artists' music to your fans. How exactly does that help you grow? It doesn't. This is why you need your own music business system. With a music business system, you can talk directly to your fans as often as you want about whatever you want. You got a new song that you just dropped? Let your fans know directly. You have a hobby or an interest that you like to talk about that really makes you as an individual and as an artist, and you want to communicate with your fans about that, talk directly to them. Don't worry about having to parse your words on social media. Be you 100% and communicate with your fans about whatever it is that you want on your schedule 100% freely. No more bans and no more playing with the algorithm just so that the algorithm shows your content to your fans. Communicate freely and directly with your fans about whatever you want as often as you want. With your own music business system, you can also sell your music, your merchandise, your insider programs directly to your fans and keep 100% of the revenue. You can even have a place where your fans can donate to you as often and as much as they would like, and you keep 100%. You can even give out free downloads of your music to your fans just to give them more value and build a deeper connection with them. 100%, all controlled by you on your music business system. And the beauty of your music business system, it is all about you. Your fans can come to your music business system and not be distracted by information or content by anyone else. It's all about you because it's even named about you. www.yourname.com. See, your music business system is a one-stop shop for any and everything about you, where you can grow and nurture your fan base and keep 100% of the interactions within your control. No more streaming platforms not showing your new music to your fans. You tell them directly you got some new music out. No more fraction of a penny per stream on streaming platforms. You name your own price for your music and your fans can buy it directly from you and you can keep 100%. No more getting banned or shadow banned on social media because you just want to be yourself and speak your mind. You can communicate 100% censorship free to your fans whenever you want with your music business system. See, this is why a music business system of your own is a must for every independent artist. But it doesn't have to be super expensive. You can build this 100% DIY, which will save you hundreds or thousands of dollars from paying somebody else to build it for you. but you also will gain your own skills so that you can build music business systems for other artists for a fee so that you can help them out and make a little extra money on your own. See, this is why I created the all-in-one music business system, which is a course where I walk you through step by step how to create your own music business system. I show you all the ins and the outs, the whys and the what fors on every single piece of a music business system. And I even have some workarounds that I figured out over years of trial and error to find out ways to get you to have a music business system up and running for as low as $0 a month, just $25 a year to keep this thing up and running while you are interacting with your fans, selling them your music, your merchandise, delivering all kinds of value with free content directly to your fans, and controlling 100% of the interactions all on your own music business system. So you can grow a real fan base, build a real connection with your fans, and start building a real career in music and start living that musician lifestyle that you want to live. You can stop working these 9-to-5 or multiple part-time jobs that you can't stand. You can stop worrying about trying to hustle fractions of pennies out of these streaming platforms and make real money off of your music by your fans willingly buying your music, buying your merchandise, donating to you, being part of your insider program and contributing to your music career. And you can be 100% yourself. Are you edgy about a political or a social issue? Don't worry about social media banning you. You can speak directly to your fans on your music business system however you want. And you don't have to worry about getting banned by anyone. And I believe that every artist needs a music business system of their own, so much that I not only have this course where I show you how to set it up every single step of the way, and I show you a lot of workarounds to get your costs down to $0 a month to have this up and running. But besides that, I also give you a free preview of this course. If you click the link right down below, you can go and watch a full module from this course on how to set up your merch store 100% for free. You don't have to put in a credit card information, no free trials, you don't even have to put in your email address. You can just click the link right down below and go and watch the full module on how to set up a merch store, which is directly from this all-in-one music business system course. And I guarantee after you get done watching this free preview of the course, you will want to get this course so that you can build your own music business system 100% DIY. Gain yourself some skills that you can then sell as a service to other artists to help them get their own music business system and make your own money that you can then grow your music career with by creating more music, by creating more music videos, by running some ads to grow your fan base. You can have that extra money because you're not having big overheads on your music business system, and you have this skill that you can then sell as a service to other artists to make that money off of. So if you want to stop wasting time on all these social and streaming platforms, playing around with you and playing around with your fans and limiting your reach and your connectivity with your fans, then you need to click the link right down below and go and get the all-in-one music business system so you can set up your own music business system and grow a real fan base with real connections to your fans and build a real career in the music industry. Don't waste any more time. Click the link below. Go get one now.